hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya now? New link on the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Hotter.
Hi, my name is Keith, and I was successful in my PEP examinations to go to Calabar High in Kingston, but I am facing difficulties with a device. The device that I'm using now is my sister's laptop. So if there's anybody out there that can help me, it would be much appreciated. And thank you if you can help me.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up to yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss, the New Link from New Link Production. And I mean say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers, that little clip that you just saw, people, with that little young man there, people, you understand? And it's short and thing, people, you know. But all I'm going to say, people, this youth, you know, I met him when I keep the back to school treat. You understand? That's a couple days ago in Jamaica. And when I have the treat, people, you know, he came to me and he said to me that he doesn't really need nothing there, you know, because what he really want, I don't have it, you know. And he did ask for a thing like, I think it was I forgot something, you know, but nothing heavy, people, and I gave him something. And then other people saw him and they come to me and say, New Link, you know what, this youth is a very brilliant youth, New Link. He's very bright. You know, Jamaica, and that said, he's very bright. You understand? And the story behind it, when they explain it to me, people, I may have said, Chaja, attacking boss, you really have to go share this youth story, you know, because when he tell me that you need a laptop, people, and unfortunately at the time, I could not, you know, afford to give him that laptop, and I said I can use my platform to try and seek one for you, because I know I have a lot of people out there who are really great people, good people, and they will willingly contribute and help you and assist you. And that's when I tell his parents, look, you know, just make him do a little thing and send to me, and then we share it, and you don't know the thing of my people. So the story behind him, people, because he's from a St. Anne address in the countryside here, people, you understand? And the thing is, while the whole lockdown did go on, people, you understand, there was a good Samaritan in the community who is a lawyer, very popular lawyer in Jamaica. And what this man did, people, they have a church, and he managed to use a section of the church to keep a little class, you understand. Also provided some little tablets for some of the kids and things, people. And they managed to have a little class there, because a lot of kids there, they couldn't afford Wi-Fi, and so, you know what I mean, parents can't afford Wi-Fi. So what he did was set up the Wi-Fi, you understand, at the little establishment there, people. And when he set up the Wi-Fi and thing, they managed a lot of kids come there and try to do them little thing and thing, people. And this young man was one of them. And the thing about it, people, he managed to do is the subject that they do to pass to go high school and thing, people. And he managed from St. Anne to do his thing, people. And to how brilliant he was, or he is, people, he managed to pass for Calabar High School. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, people. It was not sports he used, okay? You know, so a lot of people may get scholarship because of sports, people, but because of what he did, people, academically, you understand, he managed to pass for Calabar High School. And I have to say big up to that lawyer too, you understand, who did this thing. And based on some information I may hear people say, you know, because of the expense, the Wi-Fi and thing, and they are seeking help from even the MP if they can even assist with the Wi-Fi and thing, you know what I mean. And we are saying for the MP down there, Miss Lisa Anna, you know, you can assist and, you know, sort out them, man. Yes, sort out them, you know. But I'm saying, people, this youth is a very brilliant youth, and he did really well in school, my people. And, you know, all I'm asking you, people, anybody out there, if you can contribute, if you can help, if you can assist, please assist, my people. I'm going to leave the number for his parents, you understand, right below in the description. You will also see the number placed on the video and thing, people. just please link them up, you understand? And any donations you want make, you can contact them directly. You don't have to contact me, you understand? Because you don't know me go to work, people. Once you donate something to somebody, people, I leave the number and you contact them directly. You can speak to them, you can speak to the young man himself, people. And I'm telling people, he's a well-behaved young man, you understand? Manageable young man, calm, quiet. And people, just want to say, a youth like this, you understand, growing in that part, and you can steer him, and you can help him. You say, Jamaica, please help him. Please guide him. You understand? Please support him, people, and make him pursue this thing in Calabar. I'm asking you, please, for the help and for the support, my viewers and subscribers. Maybe you couldn't assist, you understand, with the New Link Trade and the New Link Food Drive, but now if you can assist, please do. And thank you very much. So my people, big up on yourself. You don't know, say the attacking boss, they are New Link from New Link Production, and we are saying more love, more blessings, more respect, people. Thanks for the love, thanks for the support every time. Full force, fully attack. Remember to do, please like, please share, and please subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, New Link Production official attacking boss. I don't know, say one attack, one scheme, one dream, one team, fully attack.